What started as a rogue organization inside Cisco grew to become a cultural movement powered by design sprints. In 2015, a group of 4 Cisco employees set out to create an internal acceleration program. They wanted to prove that you don't really need $500,000 to start working on a new idea. The initiative was called Startup Cisco, and it started with no sponsorship and a real bootstrapping adventure inside the Silicon Valley tech giant. The upside to the lack of sponsorship was that no one had top-down control over the movement, which opened some nice room for experimentations. During its early days, Startup Cisco was relying only on lean startup as the basis for their acceleration program agenda. However, they soon realized this was not enough. But first, let me set the stage here. Startup Cisco projects are no joke. Many of them involve smoking hot tech areas like machine learning, drones, IoT, blockchain, and so on. When you think about Cisco, you usually think routers and network equipment, right? Well, wrong. Think also cloud computing to protect rhinos in Africa, drones to fight dengue mosquitoes in South Korea, and wearable tech to help hospitals keep track of their patients. These and other B2B innovation initiatives share one thing in common. They are all systems, platforms, apps, in other words, services. They don't come in product boxes. And in order to bring in the value of design to their newborn internal accelerator, Startup Cisco decided to use the Minimum Valuable Service, or MVS model. The MVS model is a service design-based approach to design sprints. As such, it has tools and practices that allow project teams to think services instead of products. In a service design sprint, project teams deep dive into service ecosystems, go through intense user research rounds, design user journeys, and keep their focus on relationship opportunities instead of only seeing purchasing funnel transactions. Startup Cisco teamed up with HiveLab.co in order to craft a customized version of the MVS model and develop their accelerator's agenda. Now, Startup Cisco is moving independently, and it's currently building its own internal Sprint Masters community. Today, you can see design sprints starting to be used across the organization for things like problem solving, product development, innovation, co-development with partners, and as a quick and efficient way to uncover new business opportunities. What started grassroots is turning into a contagious cultural movement powered by design sprints.